Welcome to Bilal Consultancy Limited. Excellence meets innovation. At Bilal Consultancy Limited, we pride ourselves on being at the forefront of excellence and innovation. Our mission is to assist organizations in achieving their highest potential through the implementation of cutting-edge methodologies. Today, we invite you to embark on a journey into the realm of Lean Six Sigma, where we explore advanced strategies to elevate your black belt proficiency. The importance of Lean Six Sigma in today's competitive landscape. In today's rapidly evolving business environment, organizations face increasing pressure to not only maintain efficiency, but to strive for excellence in every aspect of their operations. Lean Six Sigma offers a comprehensive approach to process improvement, combining the principles of lean manufacturing with the rigor of Six Sigma methodologies. By eliminating waste, reducing variation, and enhancing overall quality, Lean Six Sigma enables organizations to achieve higher levels of performance and competitiveness, unlocking the full potential of Lean Six Sigma. As organizations strive to stay ahead of the competition, it is essential to leverage the full potential of Lean Six Sigma. This begins with a deep understanding of the methodologies and tools available, as well as the ability to apply them effectively in real-world scenarios. At Bilal Consultancy Limited, we offer advanced training programs designed to take your black belt proficiency to the next level. Advanced strategies for black belt professionals. For black belt professionals seeking to enhance their skills and capabilities, our advanced training programs cover a wide range of topics and strategies. From advanced statistical analysis techniques to leadership and change management skills, our courses are tailored to meet the diverse needs of today's business environment. By mastering these advanced strategies, black belt professionals can drive significant improvements in organizational performance and achieve lasting success. Overview of advanced Lean Six Sigma concepts. Building upon the foundational principles of Lean Six Sigma, this program delves into advanced concepts aimed at maximizing efficiency and minimizing waste. Participants will explore sophisticated methodologies such as Lean Design for Six Sigma, DFSS, focusing on preemptive quality assurance in product or process design stages. Additionally, advanced statistical analysis techniques will be covered, empowering practitioners to extract actionable insights from complex datasets and drive data-driven decision-making. Implementing Design for Six Sigma, DFSS. Design for Six Sigma, DFSS, represents a proactive approach to quality management, emphasizing the integration of customer requirements into the design phase of products or processes. Throughout this module, participants will learn how to apply DFSS methodologies to anticipate and address potential defects or inefficiencies before they arise, ensuring the delivery of high-quality outcomes from inception. Advanced statistical analysis techniques. Statistical analysis lies at the heart of Lean Six Sigma methodologies, enabling practitioners to identify patterns, root causes, and opportunities for improvement within organizational processes. In this segment, participants will delve into advanced statistical tools and techniques, including multivariate analysis, regression analysis, and advanced hypothesis testing. Through hands-on exercises and real-world applications, participants will gain proficiency in harnessing statistical methods to drive meaningful change. Leadership and change management strategies. Effecting transformative change within an organization requires more than just technical expertise. It demands strong leadership and change management skills. This module focuses on equipping participants with the leadership acumen and change management strategies necessary to inspire teams, navigate organizational dynamics, and drive sustainable improvement initiatives. Participants will explore leadership frameworks, communication strategies, and stakeholder engagement techniques essential for leading successful Lean Six Sigma projects. Real-world case studies and best practices. Learning from real-world experiences is invaluable in understanding the practical application of Lean Six Sigma principles. Throughout the program, participants will analyze a diverse range of case studies and best practices from various industries. By examining successful Lean Six Sigma implementations and lessons learned from challenges encountered, participants will gain insights into effective strategies for overcoming obstacles and achieving tangible results within their own organizations. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. With advanced strategies for Lean Six Sigma black belts, the possibilities for organizational excellence are limitless.